What's up guys, Mixology Matt here, HomeSense's favorite mixologist. Why HomeSense? Because today we're talking about glassware. Today I'm going to break down the essentials and some good nice to haves for your home bar. Let's jump in. Today we're talking glassware. Choosing the right glass is going to be imperative whenever we're making our cocktails right at home. I'm going to break this video in two sections. We're going to have our essentials and the nice to haves. Kicking things off with our essentials, the rocks glass, also known as a tumbler. This is by far the most versatile glass there is behind your bar. Think Negronis, Manhattans, Old Fashions. This is the biggest workhorse. You're gonna need a lot of these. Up next, we have the wine glass. This is your standard 12-ounce white wine glass. I like to use this one for spritz style cocktails. It is important to note that there's many different types of wine glasses, but this one will get the job done. Whether you're serving wine or spritzes, it's good to have these on hand. Up next, we've got our highball glass or our Collins glass. This is going to be used for all your carbonated beverages. Think rum and cokes, vodka sodas, gin and tonics. Any drink where you want a little bit more volume, the Collins glass is perfect. To close out our essential lineup, we have a champagne flute. This is going to be great for all your sparkling wine needs, as well as your French 75s. You can't complete the bar without a nice flute glass. Moving on to our nice to have lineup. Kicking things off with a coupe glass. These are my most popular option for sour style cocktails, serving things up, my espresso martinis. I even see people serve sparkling wine out of coupe glasses as well. Personally, one of my favorite stemmed glasses out there. Up next, you have a Nick and Nora glass. So these glasses are going to be used for drinks that have a little bit less volume. Think martinis would be a perfect example. Another Manhattan. Drinks that are stirred and strong that don't have as much volume compared to the coupe, and you can't fit as much in here. This is about 3-ounce volume here. Up next, we have our tasting glass, also known as a Glencairn. It is often associated with sipping scotch neat. However, you can sip all your favorite spirits. It's designed in a way to have that tulip shape so you get the best aromas and all those tasting notes when you're sipping your favorite spirits. And last but not least, we have the tiki mug. This is a great way to elevate all your tropical cocktails and add a little personality behind the bar. Think pina coladas, think navy grogs, think Mai Tais. You want to bring the tropics to you? Great way to do it is with the tiki mug. And there you have it. I hope you learned something today. That is my intro to glassware. We covered the essentials, we covered the nice to haves. If I missed any of your favorite glassware, put in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I'm Mixology Matt. I don't make drinks, I make smiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.